The 2002 Chevy Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain, and is priced below $5,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, HomeLink garage door opener, side airbag, rear window defrost, power windows, power locks, heated front seats, fog lights, passenger airbag, intermittent wipers. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.